Alright, everyone, here's a bit of a random video. I have a bit of a respiratory issue just now. Not COVID, but yeah, if you hear me wheeze, that's why. So, this right here is my favourite knife. Sounds weird, but I've been thinking of it for a while. Well, like a week and a half, 2 weeks. It has everything you'd want in a knife. Durability, stability, well weighted, well made, full tang, Bowie, amazing leather sheath. This wrist strap was around it in the loop here, in the hole here. Breathing's hard. Maybe it was COVID, I don't know. But I took it off so I could hang it on the wall. So, this is the Anglo Arms. I've actually done a video on this before. This is the Anglo Arms Blackout Bowie knife. And goddamn, is it just nice? Is it just perfection? Look at that. It looks incredible. It's got a G10 handle. Green wood. I'm pretty sure this is real wood. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is real wood. The blade length. My nose is also a bit wrecked. The blade. Oh shit. Jesus. Could this be my last video? Who knows? Hopefully not. The blade length 9 inches. Overall 15. Future me, cut this. Weighs 608 grams. And like I said, it's full tang. So yeah, I just wanted to make this video on this, my favourite knife that I have. It's just incredible. I have a tape measure somewhere, but I don't know where it is. So yeah, that pretty much sums this up. If you want a good knife, sharp as well, very sharp. I'll see if I've got some like paper. Hang on. Alright, in good old British style, I've got a pre-marked receipt and a knife. So, I'm going to try to stab myself. So yeah, that's pretty good. 100%. If I was going hunting, or into the wilderness, camping, that sort of thing. Actually, I don't even think we're allowed to carry knives when we're camping. Nah, maybe. Maybe a little one, like this one. Maybe, possibly, I don't know. But, this is the one I'd want to take, because this thing is, oh, look at that shit. This thing is amazing. But yeah, just a little video on how I love this knife. Bye. Subscribe. Thank you.